Alright, here we go. Doing a, just checking the feet per second on the Patriot Centerpoint. It's advertised at 415 feet per second. Now, I'm not sure what the bolts they're using and tips, the weight and all. What I'm using is a 325 grain bolt with a 100 grain tip, and I'm going to see how it's flying. I've already done a couple of shots. I'm putting this one on video, and got the chrono right up here up front. So we're going to take a shot and see what it does. I'm trying to block the wind as best as I can out here. Probably ain't the best thing. And we got 353, and the first shot was 355 and 354 in there. So that's what we're averaging, and it's selling at 415. Gonna go ahead and put a broadhead in and see if there's any more difference on it than that as well. But we are definitely at 355 or 353, 355 range. Alright, here we go. Doing the split fire or Spitfire triple X broadheads, 100 grain. You can see if there's any difference in the speed on these as well. I'm going to just do one shot. Door 349. There you are. It's advertising at 415. I'll probably look into it and just see what they're shooting to get those results, the weights and all, to actually find out if there's actually adjustments to be made to this to actually get it to go up to 415. But still at 355, 350, 350 feet per second, that's still pretty good. I'm not going to complain with that at all, but that is, you know, when you're advertising 415 feet per second and it's shooting 60 below that, that's a big jump, definitely. But there you go, Bohemian Hunting Club. Thanks for watching.